Hey guys, I hope your week is going well. After for today's video, I'm gonna show some different nature pictures I picked up from the last week or two. Um, this first one is a red trillium. This is a fairly rare flower that you'll find in the forest that grows wild. They're endangered in New York State, so they're not, they can be kind of rare to find, but no, they're very pretty flower that you find in the spring. Both of these are some edible plants. One on the left are fiddleheads. This is what their fern looks like before it fully opens up. These, you pick those, you fry them in a pan with some butter. Some of those wild leeks I told you before, they're pretty good. On the right, you have a trout lily. If you look at their speckled pattern, it's kind of like the size of a trout. Those are also edible. This frog here is checking out my little pumpkin plants. He hopped up in the container. On the left is a bunny rabbit that's been hanging around on the lawn. And there's a chipmunk. He's been making sure to keep my bird feeders pretty empty. He's been helping himself quite a bit to them. How about this guy here? He's crawling around on the lawn. Pretty docile. I think he was looking for that bunny rabbit, or the frog he saw earlier. And I'll wrap up here with another bird nest I happen to find with some pretty little blue and brown speckled eggs. As always, I hope you guys find something good to do today. If you need anything, make sure you let me know. We're on the home stretch, guys. We're almost there. Take care.